In Chapter 1, we're going to talk about becoming an adult learner. And you see a quote from a student, an adult learner student. It's really simple. The reason I went back to school, I wanted to change my life. When you complete your college degree, you'll look back and you'll realize you have changed your life. So, what critical skills do employers seek in employees? They want you to be able to think. They want you to be able to solve problems. Take decisive actions, and to lead. As you will see in the classroom, there are many different ways of seeing, thinking, and doing. Okay? There's not just one right way, okay, or one right answer, especially in business. Okay? There are many different right ways to achieve the desired goal. You're going to learn new skills and abilities. Some of the most sought after skills from employers: communication skills, listening, verbal, written, analytical and research skills, computer and technical literacy, flexibility, manage multiple priorities, have interpersonal skills and abilities, leadership and management skills, multicultural sensitivity, planning, organizing, problem solving, and teamwork. Do you have all these skills? You may have some of these skills, but you probably don't have all of them. Or at least they're not highly refined skills. Hopefully, when you complete your education at Wayland Baptist University, you will have refined these skills and are able to capitalize on them in the job market. You need to take stock in yourself by understanding why you're choosing to go to college. You need to take inventory of your strengths and capitalize on those strengths. You need to, again, take inventory in your weaknesses. We all have weaknesses, but you need to develop an action plan and work on improving those weaknesses. And college will expose your weaknesses. If you are one of the many people that are concerned about public speaking, it will get exploited in the classroom, because at some point in time you will be required to get up in front of your fellow classmates and the professor and make a presentation. So if you know that is a weakness, then be proactive and develop a plan on how to improve that weakness. You might consider joining the local Toastmasters Club. Okay? They are there to help people with public speaking. Or one of the first classes you may wish to take is public speaking, and hopefully gain the skills and abilities necessary to improve on that weakness. You won't be able to hide the weaknesses in the classroom. They will come out. You need to network yourself with other students. You're going to find that there are going to be many views in the classroom. Again, as I said earlier, there's more than one way to skin a cat. Well, there's more than one way to achieve the specific goal that has been set. And learning from others only enriches your learning process. You need to be able to share knowledge. You yourself bring real-life experiences into the classroom. You need to freely share those experiences with others, and you need others to freely share them with you. You're going to find that you're going to be working in groups and teams on many activities in the classroom. Everything that you do will not be an individual activity. So, what do professors expect of you? Read the syllabus completely. Understand your obligations and responsibilities. Please read the syllabus completely. When you come to class, be prepared. Make sure you have read the assigned readings. Make sure you turn in your work on time. And make sure that you actively participate. Ask questions. If there's something that has been lectured that you don't understand, don't be hesitant to raise your hand and ask the professor to present that from a different perspective, or present it with a different example. The professor does not want to proceed with a lesson when students are left not understanding what he or she is actually lecturing. Communicate, communicate, communicate. So, what should you expect from your professors? Professors should communicate and instruct the course standards to the desired outcome objectives. They should present clear and meaningful lectures that focus on the objectives. They should be able to stimulate classroom discussions. Many times a professor may only need to ask one or two questions and be able to generate enough discussion that it could easily take an hour of classroom time. Any examinations that are given should be able to assess the knowledge that you achieved. The professor should be able to assist students who have difficulties understanding the material. And the professor should also encourage students to learn. To the staff, okay, you are a student, but you're also their customer. That's the reason the staff is here, is to assist you, the customer. Don't let them forget it. Hopefully they will give you top-notch service, and they will meet or exceed all expectations. Okay? To the professors, you're not their customer. You are a student. Okay? You purchased a seat in the class. You didn't purchase a grade. You have to earn that. Okay? You purchased the knowledge of the professor. Make sure you get your money's worth. You're going to find yourself changing mentally, emotionally, and morally. And they will only increase your value. So, in summary, we talked about conducting the self-inventory. Understand what your knowledge, your skills, your abilities are. Identify your strengths. Capitalize on them. Identify your weaknesses. Make sure you develop that action plan. In the classroom, participate. Also network with your fellow students. Understand what the professor's expectations are of you as a student. Make sure you understand what's expected of the professor. Learn, develop, and grow. Embrace the change process, because you are going to encounter change in the classroom.